Hello everyone, myself Kapil Atmane, faculty, Center Nord High Secondary School, Vijayanagar, Indore. This video is basically for class 10th student, and in this video we will cover the topic header and footer, which is a topic which comes under the unit word processing. Header and footer. All of you have seen so many word document. So here we will discuss about what is header and what is footer. So what is header first? Students, you have seen in your notebook or maybe your in book that on every pages a word or something which repeats on every pages of the book, which may be on the top also and which may be in the bottom also. So the text or graphics which appears on every pages on the top of the page is called header. So here is the standard definition of the header. Header is a text or graphics which is printed in the top margin of each page of a document. Or in a simple word, you can also say that header is a word or graphics which repeats or appear on the top of the every page. Next, footer. Footer is a text or sometimes maybe graphics which is added in the bottom margin of a document. In footer we generally add page number, and in header we generally add the topic name or the book name, anything the user which is creating the document, it's depend on him that what he wants to add in header and footer. But in generally on footer we add page number. So we will do the practical of this key how we can add header and footer in our word document. So let's start. First I want a word document, so here is my word document is ready. You can see here is my word document, and there are maybe you can see. Okay, again I'm closing this, again I'm opening here my word document. Here is my word document, you can see this one. You can see this is my word document. Now I want to add, give me 1 minute, I want to open this in Windows MS Word 2007. So you can right click here and you can open this in Windows 2007. Okay, Windows 2007 is not here, so we will work in this version, no problem. So here we will discuss how we can add header and footer in our document. So here you can see there are so many web pages. Okay, to add header and footer there should be at least 5 to 6 pages should be available in your word document. If you will add header and footer in 1 or 2 pages, so you will not get the proper idea that what is header and footer. So suppose you want to add header, so first you have to go on this insert option, and when you will go on this insert option, you can see here is header, and you have to click here in the bottom edit header. So automatically this kind of section will appear. So suppose I want to write here St. Arnold Higher Secondary School. Okay, so I have written St. Arnold Higher Secondary School here. So once I have written this St. Arnold Higher Secondary School, you have to click on this close header and footer. Once you will click on this close header and footer, and when you will scroll the page, you can see the St. Arnold Higher Secondary School is appearing on all the pages. You can see there are 6 pages on my document, you can see, and this St. Arnold Higher Secondary School is appearing on all the pages on the top of the page. Same way, suppose you want to add any icon or any logo, so that also you can add in the header section, which is very easy. What you have to do, you have to go, suppose already I have copied the school logo here, so you have to right click on this, you have to copy this, you have to go again on your document, again you have to click on insert option, then you have to select header option, then you have to select edit option, then you can right click here and you can see the paste option here. The logo is here. Now it's on you, you can adjust the size whatever you want the size. So see, when you will click again this on this close option, so this logo will appear on all the pages. See, So this is called header. Header is something like text or graphics which appear on the top of the page. Same way we will discuss now what is footer. So if you want to add a footer, so again it is very easy. You have to click on this insert option, you have to go on this footer, and you have to click on edit footer. Now I want to write here Vijayanagar Indore, which is my school address, Vijayanagar Indore. So once you have written Vijayanagar Indore, and when you will click on this close header and footer icon, so automatically this Vijayanagar Indore, you can see, will appear on all the pages. I have 6 pages in my document, and you can see the Vijayanagar Indore is appearing on all the pages. Same way, sometimes students create a project and so many files, project file, and they prepare their assignment, so they forgot to put the page number, which is very important. So how can you add the page number? So which is, that is also very simple. You have to go again on this insert option, and you have to click on this page number. When you will click on this page number, so it will ask you ki where you want to add the page number. You want to add the page number on the top of the page, you want to add the page number on the bottom of the page, or you want to add the page number. Generally we add the page number on the bottom of the page, so I will select this bottom of the page. Now the computer will ask you, there is the option where you want to add the page. You want to add the page number on the right side, you want to add the page number in the middle, or you want to add the page number of sorry, this is right side, you want to add the page number of left side, center, or right side. So anywhere wherever you want to add the page number, you can select like this. When you will click on this button, and when you will again, you have to close this header and footer icon, so you can see automatically the page number. This is page number 1, this is page number 2, this is page number 3, this is page number 4. Automatically you can see the page number will appear on all the pages. So like this is called header and footer, which is very important topic in word processing unit in class 10 in subjects information technology. Header, you can generally remember these things. What is header and footer? Header is repeat at the top of the page, and footer is repeat at the bottom of the page. So I hope you have liked this video, and this is very easy. You can complete this practical within 5 to 10 minutes. It will not take a much time. So again, we'll take a quick revision. Header is a text or graphics which is printed in the top margin of each page of a document, and same way footer text is added in the bottom margin of a document. Thank you.